Hi guys, I will show you how to upload a video. Click upload and select files. Pick whatever you want video. I think I will choose this one. Then go set a title. So this is then okay, next, just click this and then next, just and public, and then it will be ready. Just wait 4 minutes and that's it. And then go to our content, and this is uploading. So as my video is not uploading, that it's not, and then this is uploading guys. So just wait, then done. Bye.